today on this Thursday the 12th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to learn some math today. Hope you enjoyed. Some of you had a 5-day break, and hopefully everybody's back in class today and we can accomplish some stuff here. First of all, there will be a quiz tomorrow, okay? So please study tonight. Please study well tonight. Make sure you're ready for your quiz. The ball is in your court. Please study well. Go ahead and turn your homework in from yesterday. Listen, if you are finished, if you did not finish, that's totally fine. This is not due until Friday. Let me say that again. This assignment right here was given on a Wednesday. It is not due until Friday, but it is due Friday, okay? Those in Miss Walker's class, please do not forget to check the black folder every day. Please get your papers out of the black folder. If you miss a day of class, it is your job to go to this website right here and type in the date that you missed, and up will pop the intro video and you'll know what to do if you come into class. After you've been absent and we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take the test or quiz, okay? It's just how it is, unless you pre-contact me and completes. Let's see what we have here. I gave this assignment on Thursday. Charlie and Cameron, you must turn it in by tomorrow or you will have permanent zeros. Test corrections. Caitlin, Cayman, and Charlie, these must be turned in by Friday or they will become permanent zeros, okay? And then on Friday, I gave this assignment here. You had to copy the proof 3 times each, the Pythagorean theorem proof, and do this assignment. I never got that from Cameron or Charlie. Now, listen, you say, well, Mr. Aaron, I didn't turn it in. Well, listen, guys, I didn't list all the people in the 6th hour class. The class is too big. A lot of you were gone on the National Honor Society trip. So are you listening? If you were absent yesterday for any reason whatsoever, you probably didn't turn this in. Okay? So check and see. If you did not, please turn that in, okay? This is due, it was due yesterday. The latest you can turn it is tomorrow, okay? So go ahead and make sure your name is on that and turn those in. Alright, moving on. Here we go. Schedule. We're going to go over tomorrow's quiz so you'll know what's on it. We're going to work on yesterday's homework and the mid-chapter review. So we're working on 2 homework assignments today, okay? Now let me pause and say this. Miss Frampton, if there are any students who are not working hard, they are talking, goofing off, you email the names to me. I will make sure they don't get a good grade in the homework. I will tell their parents. If it's an A student, A average student, they will lose that privilege, not just for this week, but for weeks to come, okay? In my class, during class, we work, okay, because we're all about getting a great education. Now, first, I want to remind you students that yesterday's homework is due tomorrow in its entirety. It's not due today. Now, if you finished it and you turned it in, good for you. Great job. But you didn't have to. So if you need that information again, here it is. Just like up here, page 444, 11 through 33. The help video was yesterday, Geometry Track 1, February 11th homework, okay? So this is due tomorrow. If you didn't finish it, please get to work on it, okay? Now, also due tomorrow is the mid-chapter review. It is not difficult. It's 1 through 20, page 447. It's pretty simple. And there's a help video for that also. So when you're done with this assignment, then you work on this assignment, okay? They are 2 separate assignments. Please do not put them on the same sheet of paper. The help video for the mid-chapter review is Geometry Track 1, February 12th. That's today's date. Homework, okay? Alright, now, let's get you guys ready for the quiz tomorrow, okay? Please take really good notes. First of all, your homework from lesson 9.1 was this. Any of those problems are fair game. Remember, if I go too fast, have the supervising teacher pause the video, okay? Homework from lesson 9.2 is fair game. It was these problems right here. That's fair game for the quiz. Homework from lesson 9.3 is fair game. Here they are right here. Any of these problems are fair game for your quiz tomorrow. Any of those. Now, as for the fill in the blanks, here we go. No theorems 9.1 through 9.3. You don't have to know theorem 9.4. Remember, that was Pythagorean's theorem and I told you you did not have to know it, okay? But you must know 9.1 through 9.7. All of those, skipping 9.4, okay? Those will be fill in the blanks on the quiz. Proofs. I told you guys it'd be very fair of me to ask you to prove theorem 9.1, and I told you to figure it out on your own, and I gave you some hints. I've had at least one student already contact me with their proof, kind of show me how they did, okay? The Pythagorean proof, that could be fair game on the quiz. So both of these, or one of these, or none of these might be on the quiz. It's your job to know those. In closing today, I want to talk about the students that were missing yesterday. I feel like it's very, very important you all understand this, okay? In my pre-calculus class, we have 6 students. Yesterday, 5 were gone, leaving 1. We still have class. Okay? Now, I didn't do it to them yesterday because they're not used to me. So I took one day and explained it to them. But if that happens again in the future, we will have class. Now, that's just how Mr. Earhart is. I'm not mean about it. I just feel like parents are paying money for an education. And if they're paying money and a teacher doesn't teach, now if the entire room is dead empty, no one's there, then fine. How can you teach to an empty room? I get that. But I don't think that's going to happen very often, if at all. And if there's just one student in the room, we're having class, guys, okay? Now it's going to affect you basketball players coming up with and my son's on the team. Soccer's coming up. He plays soccer. Look, academics first, athletics second. So if you miss class, you're going to have to get caught up over the weekend and stuff like that, okay? That's how I roll, and I want to get that nailed down now so there's no confusion later, okay? We have class. If there's just one student in the class, okay, guys, it's only right to do that when parents are paying money. I know you probably don't like that. You probably think I'm extreme, but I answer, to the parents, and I want to make sure, to an extent, I answer to them, and I want to make sure that we're doing a good job with our academics. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions. Go ahead and get started on your 2 homework assignments now at this time. Thank you.